Hello everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the 12 days of JUJU.
Oh my God!
If you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Julia and I make videos here on the internet. And this month I am doing a segment on my channel, just like last year, called the 12 Days of JUJU, where I upload really fun and festive content 12 times during the holiday season, which is so fun. So if you want to stick around and subscribe, you'll be seeing a lot of this month. I would greatly appreciate that. So today I am doing my second annual ugly holiday sweater haul, and I am a sucker for a good ugly sweater, ugly t-shirt, you know. I think one of the easiest ways to feel super festive and in the holiday spirit is to wear it on your clothes. So today I have picked up a couple new ugly sweaters, including this lovely thing I'm wearing right now. So if you want to see the ugly sweaters I picked up this holiday season, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I want to show you the sweater I am wearing today. I actually bought this literally like an hour and a half ago, but it was just screaming my name, so I had to pick it up. It is this really awesome, so it looks like a sweater, but it's actually like a t-shirt material, and it goes half Christmas ugly sweater and half Hanukkah ugly sweater. And this is so perfect for me because I celebrate both holidays. Some of you may know this, some of you may not. My dad is Jewish and my mom celebrated Christmas her whole life and then converted to Judaism, so that was a tradition that both her and my dad agreed that they would carry on, and so I was raised celebrating both Hanukkah and Christmas. I've actually gotten a lot of hate for that, so I'm going to be making like a whole video kind of explaining how I was raised in my religious background, but that's not what this video is about. This sweater describes my situation perfectly and I absolutely love it. I feel like I am just so festive in every aspect wearing this. So I got this at Boscov's and it was on sale for $20, which, listen, I'm thinking I'm getting 2 holidays in one, so I don't think it's that bad of a deal. And then I did get 15% off I did open a credit card, so I love this and I don't regret it. I love this sweater. It is hideous and I love it. So I kind of shopped all over for sweaters, so I'll just be bopping around to different stores. But speaking of Hanukkah, my mom and I picked up these shirts that have like a menorah on them, and it's just like a normal t-shirt, but it says lighten up. It's Hanukkah, which I totally loved, and I believe this was on sale for $7.99. So if I can find this, I will link it down below. But it's from Sears and I thought that was adorable. So my next sweater is actually from theuglychristmassweater.com. I will link them down below, but my friends over there sent me a couple sweaters and I literally love their sweaters. So this is the second year that they've sent me over some sweaters and I'm so obsessed. They are the best quality for sure. So they sent me this gorgeous, I don't know why I'm saying gorgeous in an ugly Christmas sweater haul, but they sent me this awesome Grinch sweater, and it's kind of like a cardigan, but it just has the Grinch on it and it's red and green, and I actually wore this to the premiere of the new Grinch movie and I got so many compliments on it, which was so awesome, and it is just so soft, like it feels like a blanket. I will link these sweaters down below. I don't know how much they are off the top of my head, but you can certainly check them out, and if they leave me a coupon code, I will certainly include that in this video. But I love this and it's really cute with leggings. It's actually like, as ugly sweaters go, it's not that ugly. Speaking of theuglychristmassweaters.com, they actually sent me a Hanukkah one, which is so awesome. Like I said, it is really hard to find a good Hanukkah sweater or t-shirt, and they sent me this one and it is so cute. I love the color and I'm just so obsessed. As I'm filming this right now, Hanukkah's literally going to start super soon. Like, it starts tonight at sundown, so I'm thinking about wearing this sweater. It is so thick and nice, and I live in Pennsylvania, so the thicker the sweater, the better this time of year. So I'm obsessed with this one, and it has just like menorahs, Star of David, and dreidels on it. So I love this, it's so cute. All right, so the last 2 sweaters are from Boscov's, like this one, and I could not pick, so I ended up getting them both. First, I got this one. Look at it. It's so cute. So it just says believe on it, and it says believe on the arms as well, and it just has a cute Mickey Mouse decal, and I love Disney, so I was so obsessed with this, and it is just so soft, and again, that's like everything to me, so I had to get this, and I'm just imagining it with like super cute Disney ears and wearing it to the parks, and it's always been my dream to go to Disney during Christmas time, so yeah. When I finally go ahead and do that, I'm going to be wearing this. Okay, I didn't need it, but it's cute. And I got this for $14, which is like, for Disney, I feel like that's a really good deal because like in the parks, this would be like at least $30. So thought that was awesome. Finally, I got the most random sweater I could ever find, but I tried it on. It was just the softest thing. So I said, okay, I'm gonna get it. So it's actually this men's crew neck and it says Merry Tacos. I don't know what called me to it, but I was like, I love the color. It's not like that obnoxious like holiday green. It's just a really nice like forest, and then it has that really fun like holiday sweater print on it. I don't know, I feel like it's a really great conversation sweatshirt. Like, that's awesome. I love tacos too. So I ended up getting that, and honestly, maybe this will go back. I feel like I don't need this, but it's so cute. This was on sale for $12, and I thought that was pretty reasonable for how thick and nice this is. And I don't know, it's cute. What can I say? I didn't need it, but I bought it, so. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for my 2018 ugly sweater haul. I love these sweaters that I got this year, and I just love feeling festive in my clothing, so I think I'm really gonna get a lot of great use out of that. If you want to shop any of the things I mentioned, I will link them down below. Unless I can't find them, then I'll link something similar. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which one was your favorite and where you like to shop for ugly sweaters, because I'm always looking to expand my ugly sweater collection. If you are not already subscribed, I want to invite you at this time to stick around by subscribing. If you made it this far, you might as well stay. And go check out my vlog channel. I'm actually attempting to do Vlogmas this year. I'm not a daily vlogger, but I do love to upload vlogs this time of year. It's just so fun and festive, so go check out my vlog channel if you want some more Julia Elise content. My vlog channel is just Julia Elise Vlogs. Also, go check me out on social media. All my socials are at Julia Elise YT. I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot of these sweaters in action. I love y'all so much. I hope you have a great day, an even better week. Happy holidays, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is